How to claim Shopee coins. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to claim Shopee coins. Go to the Shopee app on your phone. Log into your account and go to the Me tab. On the home page, tap on the Check-in for Daily Coins option. You will be directed to the Coins Reward page. You can earn more coins in this section. It offers discounts and deals to win coins. Swipe right to view all the options for coin rewards. Select any product you want to buy and tap on Buy Now. Add custom attributes and tap on the Buy Now button. You will see the Coins Cannot Be Redeemed option and tap on it. Tap on OK and you can select any 2 vouchers. Select the 2 vouchers available and tap on OK. After that, tap on the Place Order button. Your order will be placed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.